Hey, little adventurers! Ready for round 2 of our journey? Today, we'll explore even more cozy, clever, and sometimes surprising animal homes across the continents. Buckle up, it's time for animal adventures. Africa, lion's den. Here we are in the African savanna. Look, a lion family resting inside their rocky den. Cubs tumble and play while the parents relax. Their den is not just a home, it's a safe castle for the king of beasts. Australia, kangaroo pouch. Hop, 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 say hello to the kangaroo. But wait, where's her baby? Peek into her pouch. That cozy pouch is the Joey's home, a moving bedroom that keeps it warm, safe, and close to mom all the time. South America, sloth in tree canopy. Shh, be very quiet. High up in the rainforest trees, the sleepy sloth is snuggled in its leafy nest. This slow mover loves the treetop canopy, where it can nap, eat leaves, and stay hidden from danger. What a lazy, leafy home. North America, beaver lodge. Splish, splash, look at the busy beavers. They're stacking sticks, mud, and branches to build a lodge in the water. These beaver homes are like tiny wooden castles, strong, cozy, and with secret underwater doors. What clever little builders! Asia, red panda in hollow tree. In the misty forests of Asia, a shy red panda curls up inside a hollow tree. Its fluffy tail wraps around like a blanket. This snug tree hollow is the panda's favorite hideaway, safe, cozy, and high above the ground. India, elephant family waterhole. Trumpet sounds. The elephant family has gathered by their favorite waterhole. For elephants, home isn't just one place. It's where the family comes together to drink, play, and splash water. Their waterhole is like a big family living room in the wild. Oceans, clownfish in sea anemone. Dive deep into the ocean and meet the clownfish. Look, he's peeking out from his sea anemone home. Those wavy, squishy tentacles may look scary, but for clownfish, they're the safest place in the sea. It's like living inside a dancing garden. Wow, little explorers! From lion dens to kangaroo pouches, sloth nests, to beaver lodges, every animal has its perfect home, just like you have yours. Remember, when we care for nature, we help protect all these amazing homes too. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wondering, and keep loving our animal friends. Bye-bye!